Hey, what's going on, musicians? It's Brendo from Powerful Progressions, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial on Wait on You by Elevation Worship and Maverick City Music. Now, if you're just starting to learn to play piano, then I have the perfect beginner's course for you. In my course, I'm teaching you how to play the songs that you really want to play. So forget about all the confusing music theory. I'm teaching you everything you need to know to start playing piano today. So, if you want to get onto a band, if you want to play for your church, or just start writing your own songs, check the link in my description box, and I'll see you soon. All right, so let's get straight into it. This song is in the key of D major and starts off with an introduction. Now let me show you what I just did there. In my left hand, I have D, A, and G flat. And I'm doing that the whole entire time for the introduction. The chords or the note don't change. So it's all 4 times. Now your hands probably won't be able to stretch this far to do it like this. However, as you can see, after I hit the D and the A, my hand jumps to hit this G flat. So. And then in my right hand, I'm playing so that's going to be D flat, E, D, D flat, G flat, E. And this is what it looks like together. Now, what you're gonna notice is I don't hit these last 2 notes in my right hand until after I'm done hitting the G flat in my left. So watch this. See? But I am playing the D and the D flat both at the same time. Alright, so that's your introduction. And then the first part of the verse does the same exact movements until the third time they go into a different movement with the left hand and also the right. So and then to go back into the verse again. Before I move on, let me show you what I just did. It's so in the left hand I have G, D, and G, and right hand, and it's kind of like the same movement. How I don't hit these last 2 notes until after I'm done hitting the G here on my left. And then in the left hand, I have E, B, and E. And the right hand stays the same, so. And then my A. And I kind of give it a little more movement. It wasn't just a solid chord, but I kind of did like a waterfall. And then you go back to the verse again. Speed up a little bit. We know this. He does. So after hitting the E in the left hand, A, So I'll show you again. Everything is the same. I'm gonna wait on you. Alright, so here, now we're at the chorus. The chorus, the first note or the first chord you're gonna play is going to be a D major chord. That's the one, we're at the one now. So this is what your one looks like in the first inversion. I mean, its simplest form. And this is just right hand, D, G sharp, G flat, and A. However, I'm playing it inverted. I don't think it makes much of a difference for this song. This sounds good as well. I think any inversion is gonna sound good. So I just feel comfortable doing it like this. So I'm gonna wait on you. And then second chord, wait on you. I've tasted your trust in your promise. I'm gonna wait on you. All right, so let me show you. We're doing D major. This 2 chord right here, this is going to be left hand I have E, right hand I have A, D, and E. This chord is so nice. I've learned this chord probably about a year ago and I've been using it since. Every time I play my 2 chord, I just know to have a sus2. So pretty much what this is in my right hand is it's pretty much your 1 chord but suspended. So I'm gonna wait on you. And here it is right here. I've tasted your goodness. This is my B minor chord. To make it a lot easier for you to see, this is essentially the chord I'm playing. It's going to be B, D, and G flat. However, when I play it, I like to add an A in there, just to give it some more flavor. So I'm gonna wait on you. A to the G passing chord. This is your 2 again. So as you can see, we play our 2 chord 2 different ways in this song. So we hit the 2 chord again. However, this time we're playing it's in the form of an A minor 7. You know? Before we're playing like this. Or like this. Now we're playing like this. So back to the chorus. I'm gonna wait on you. I'm gonna wait on you. I've tasted your goodness. I've trusted in your promise passing. I'm gonna wait on you. There it is again, to the 1, to the 2. And then you go back to the verse again. Same thing again. I'm gonna wait on you. I'm gonna wait on you. Messed up. And then here's the next part. I would say this is like the bridge. Okay, so this part would say oh, oh. So essentially, it's this a G major chord. However, the movements in my right hand is gonna be. I'll show you one more time. Again. So. Oh, okay. So. And you do that a couple of times. Wait, I say. And then, you know, I'm gonna wait on you. Goodness, I'm trusting your promise. I'm gonna wait on you. Okay, so then, let me see. Then there's another part where they are stuck right here to the G and the A. Go back to the G. Oh, this part when they say O. And really, I'm not really doing much other than creating like a rhythm with my hands. And I'm going back and forth from doing this sus2 chord to doing just the regular major. So. Okay, what is this? So I went. So. So. Okay, yeah, let's do that. I actually don't like that. That sounds better. After doing that a couple times, what happens next? Okay, now we're at the part where they're like, when Dante Bow's like, they that wait on the Lord shall renew. So until he says, that's what happens when you wait. And they do it again. They that wait on the Lord. Fast forward. That's what happens when you wait. Now I'm at the 1. sus4 happens when you wait. Alright, so what is this? So instead of doing, going back to the second time they do it, it's that's what happens when you wait. This is just a regular D major, inverted. And then you stall right here. I noticed this sus4 is so powerful. When I use the sus4, it is a powerful, powerful chord. You have to know when to use it, of course. You're gonna stay, every time you use the sus4 chord, simply, it's gonna be in your right hand. It's gonna be a D major first. And then exactly after you use that D major, you hit this, this sus4. That was a G major. So B minor, A major, back to it. All right. And that's pretty much the entire song. It repeats itself again. They go back to the chorus again. And you know the chorus is, wait on the Lord, He will renew strength, wait on Him. And then the end of the song. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do not forget to share this video with somebody you know wants to learn this song or possibly is wanting to learn piano. Also, feel free to check out the link in the description box for the course, because I'm teaching you how to learn these songs on your own.